Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite hair combos. Interesting press that you need to try. Okay, this is how the hair combo looks like, and I'm going to show you how we can create this one. Alright, I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection. Okay, for the first hair, you can choose this one and then you can color it this brown color. But actually for the color, it's up to you guys. For me, I'm just going to choose this one. And then we're going to combine it with this here. And then remove the bangs. You can make it no bangs. And then you're going to apply the same color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the updo category. And then I'm going to choose, wait guys. And choose this here. And then we're going to apply the same color. Okay, and for the last one, I'm going to go to the locks category and put on this here, and then I'm going to color it the same color. But for the butterfly, I'm going to apply this color. For the bats, I mean. And for the third selection, make it this color as well. And for the fourth selection. Okay, and finally, you will have this hairstyle. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!